This is a multi-lock interactive. It has the 5 pins and the interactive element. This is another lock that came to me from Hungary, and you may have to bear with me a little bit with this one because I've noticed with these multi-locks that if you don't get it right the first time, it pretty much just is not going to open. So that was 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm trying to get back underneath number 4. Alright, so I think that was 5. Alright. I'm just checking the outer pins to see if they're giving me anything. Alright, got a little movement on the core. But it's not the good false set. Okay. Alright, we got a little more movement. Click. Has the inner pin on 5. Give me a switch over here. A little something on 1. Just let me double check and make sure there aren't any more. Oh, okay. So let me make sure there aren't any more of the inner driver pins. And I might only have to hit the interactive. So let's go ahead and check that. Yep, that's open. Awesome. I thought that was gonna take fucking way longer. Sorry about the cuss. But with this lock, this is not an easy lock to open, and I have gotten it open a couple of times, and then this is the first time I put it on camera. But that is the multi-lock interactive that was sent to me from Hoza Kazod in Hungary.